I know. Vampire, right?
Yes,
Vampire
will fight me.
Vampire will fate to me.
Fight me.
Fate dapat fate. Okay, ready na kayo?
Okay, bigyan natin ng
Yan wala
microphone.
magtatanggal ng t-shirt. Bawal magtanggal ng t-shirt.
Okay.
Sige.
Tingnan natin.
Bigyan natin ng microphone.
Kung
Sino ba
palaban.
una? Sino ba una?
Sinong matapang? Okay. Isa-isa na po silang nag-atrasan. Go, Sebastian!
Yes!
Okay, palakpakan natin si Sebastian! Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2!
What happened, Bella? You're crying again. I know, vampire, right? Vampire will fate to me.